Welcome back. It's another beautiful day in the neighborhood. Beautiful, sunny, getting warm morning. We're in the Coral Ridge neighborhood of Fort Lauderdale, looking at a 2013 34-foot Carver C34 Command Bridge. And this boat is in very, very nice condition. Very nice. Owned by a wonderful couple that keep her up spectacularly. The hull shines. There's 4 sides of isinglass. Windshield's all clean. Stainless is good. Windows are good. This boat has Mercruiser 5.7 300 horsepower engines with about 700 horsepower, 700 hours, I'm sorry. Has a molded staircase. Nice U-shaped seating in the aft deck with a little table, large engine hatch, good swim platform. The jet ski's not coming with the boat, but the hoist system for it is. Boat's in very nice condition. Nice tall railings, handrails, nice wide walk-arounds on both sides. I don't know if you can see the shine, but she's in nice shape. Has a 7.5 kilowatt generator, a Kohler. Let's step on board so you can take a look. This boat has a security gate with the pass-through to the aft deck. Storage back here. Your fenders, your lines. There's a couple rod holders. Storage underneath the bench seats. Easy access for fuel fill. Water up ahead. Handrails all over. This has double opening doors. Engine hatch down here with the generator. AC's in there. There's an ice maker aft. Little holes for the doors. It says double doors that open. This door will open too if I unlatch it. Keeps this all as a nice entertainment area inside and out. They normally have this curtain enclosing the entire thing, but I opened it to be prepared, and I'm going to close this door for the air conditioning. It's nice and cold inside. You walk in on the starboard side, you have a U-shaped galley with a convection oven, refrigerator, a nice deep sink, and a 2-burner stovetop. On the port side, we have U-shaped dinette seating with a high-low table. There's a ton of storage in this space right here. A ton. They have fishing poles and lines, all sorts of stuff in there. All the way forward, we have the master suite. Queen-size aisle berth in the bow. Curtains that open, portholes that open, 2 hanging lockers. They have their isinglass up here for the Flybridge, the other 3 sides that are not up. It's a stereo system. I don't know if you can hear the air conditioner. It is blowing nice and cold. TV that they use for outside or up top. Although there's that small one up there. And we have a TV here for the master. Guest stateroom are side-by-side twins that you can kind of see here, but they fill in to make another queen-size berth if another couple's coming here. Has its own hanging locker. Good size head with a stand-up shower. Boat's in very nice condition. Very, very. Carpet's clean. Headliner's all good. Window coverings are clean. The upholstery's all perfect condition. Very, very, very nice. It's a great boat for a young family. See, it looks dirtier on the camera than that step is. It's not really dirty. You'll see it when you come see the boat. It's nice. Boat's in nice shape. Go up top, look at the Flybridge. One of the nicest features is the molded staircase with handrails on both sides. Nice and secure, nice and safe. Plentiful seating up here. Put another little fold-out bench seat that you can unfold and be the sun pad. Nice electronics, bow thruster. Good visibility from up top. The top's in good shape. Like I said, and you saw the isinglass for the other three sides, both port and starboard and aft. Antennas are good. Boat's nice. People have owned her 5 years and they're just ready to move on. HydroTouch Array Marine. These are upgraded from the factory, I believe. The vessel view. I can't get off. Marine all around autopilot. And this is One World Yachts. I'm in Fort Lauderdale on a 34 Carver 2013, presently for sale.